something sweet, spiky, and super cool. It's a pineapple. Let's get started. Pineapples wear a green, leafy crown on top and are delicious inside. Pineapples don't grow on trees. They grow from the ground on a plant that looks like a big flower. Each pineapple is actually made up of lots of tiny fruits stuck together to make one big, yummy fruit. Pineapples can take up to 2 years to grow. Wow, that's a long time to get so sweet. Pineapples are packed with vitamin C, which helps keep our bodies strong and healthy, like a superhero. Excellent! We've finished our pineapple. Did you like how we drew it? Now it's time to make it colorful. Take out your markers or crayons and let's color.
Hi kids! Say pineapple with me. Fantastic! Can you guess what color my skin is? Is it yellow, orange, or maybe green? Yep, it's yellow and a little bit green. Do you like how we're drawing these so far? I think I'm looking super cute. Do you know what's on top of my head? That's right, it's my spiky crown of leaves. Are you enjoying drawing my spiky skin? I bet it's looking amazing. How do you think I taste? Am I sweet, sour, or maybe a little of both? That's right, sweet with a little tang.
Pineapples are a symbol of friendship and hospitality. So if you love pineapples, you're a great friend. Wonderful, we did it! Look at our colorful pineapple. I bet your pineapple looks super sweet. I really enjoyed having you draw with me today. Remember to show your artwork to a special someone. See you next time for more drawing fun.